Hello, I just wanted to show you around the Hey Monika Progress Dashboard. We've built this so that you as an individual, and if you're in a team, for your team as a whole, can track your progress and see where there are challenges coming up for you in the team and what might need more attention. So what you can do here is go to our website, heymonika.com/progress, and this is where you'll be able to find the dashboard. This shows you activity for everybody who is on the platform. So we have got some filters at the top, so you can filter it by team. You can filter it by scenarios or challenges if you're just interested in those, and you can also filter by a date range as well. But what it shows you at the top is that in the last 30 days, the most active user has been Gold Entry, who's had 34 attempts and is in Team Cobalt. Well done, Gold Entry. And also who's had the most passes this month, also Gold Entry, who's passed 24 scenarios and challenges. So well done on that. You can also find your own anonymous name here, so you can choose your name and then you can see your progress. Although you can see data for everyone on the platform, everyone is given an anonymous name or an anonymous team name so that we're not revealing anybody's pass rates or their attempts. So you can see here how many attempts have been made across the platform all time, how many scenarios and challenges have been passed, how many users are included in this view of data, how many activities have been completed on the platform. And if you want to find out anything else about the different scenarios and challenges we have, I'd suggest you go and look at this status roadmap and library, which gives you a big breakdown of what's included in each of those scenarios and challenges. Then we've got a performance split of how many challenges have been passed, how many scenarios have been passed, how many attempts there have been, and then you can see a breakdown by solo users and by teams. So challenges and scenarios that have been attempted, which things I suppose take fancy of the teams and what their particular training needs are at the moment. Then we've got attempts by team member. We've also got the top activity this month. So Adele's month end was released. This has been completely updated and refreshed. She's got her own accounting software now. So this scenario has been attempted a lot. This month we've had 28 people who've gone through and 14 of those people have passed. And we've also got the attempts for some of the other scenarios. Adele's year end has also been released. We've also put in a start here challenge, which means you can find your way around, navigate the Hey Monika platform and Fred socials as well. And then we've got the most popular activities listed here, all time and in the last 30 days. And we've also got a user leaderboard. So if you've got a bit of competition within your team or with your friend who's using Hey Monika, you can compare yourselves and see how it's going. I, by the way, am clear folder. So Cobalt Ledger has totally rinsed me this month. So I've had 41 attempts going in. I expect demoing things and testing scenarios myself, but you'll be able to find your own name on this list, and also whether that person's part of a team or whether they're doing this on a solo license. And then we've got a breakdown by activities on our platform, how many people are passing and failing it, which might give you a view of, how straightforward these scenarios are, or I think it really very much depends on what kind of skills you're trying to test. But if you're interested in, or maybe you've failed a scenario and you're like, why haven't I passed it this time? It might be that you'll go and have a look at this and see actually there are a lot of people still working on passing this one as well. And then we've got a bit of a head-to-head between the teams, so you can see the most attempts per team. We haven't included the Hey Monika team in here. We're Team Indigo, by the way, so if you want to have a look at our info, you can do that as well. And then we've got a breakdown of attempts over the time. And what I've loved seeing actually is we're getting more and more passes as a sort of proportion of attempts as well as we move on, which is great news. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to filter this on Team Indigo so you can see what we've been up to, and you can see that we've had 142 attempts logged in this view. It also shows me a breakdown of what we've been doing against other teams. So you can see our team over the last 30 days has not done as much work as Team Cobalt, and this is average attempts per user. So different teams are different sizes. Some of our team licenses are for 2 or 3 people, some are for more like 7 or 8 people. So we try to make this as fair as possible, so we're not comparing apples and pears, I suppose is the phrase that we would use. And what I can see here as well is in the team, I can't see who is the most active within the team. Maybe that's something that we'll add into a future one, but what we've got here is the user leaderboard. So with all of our users who've been set up in Hey Monika, you can see how many attempts and how many have been passed by those particular users, and I'm clear folder. So I'm there logging in with my 41 attempts over the last month. So that's how to find your way around. If you're a team lead as well, you will get a report every month that shows the progress of your team. But this dashboard is updated every week or so. Bear with us. We're trying to work out how to automate this at the moment, and then it will be hopefully available in real time. But right now we're updating this manually, and we'll send it out to you with a little notification every time it's been updated.